Hey, it's Carrie with the Bookkeeping Nerd. This is video 7 of a series called Bookkeeping for Etsy Sellers. This video is called How to Add a Beginning Balance to our Etsy holding account in our QuickBooks. And if my videos help you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's free and it'll help you find my videos easier. And if you need help with your bookkeeping, there's a link below this video to reach out to me on my website. Let's get started. Okay, so you are on your home page inside your Etsy back office. We're going to go down to Finances, click on Monthly Statements. We're going to find the December 31st balance. So actually we want December of the previous year. And we're going to scroll down here. Right here is your balance from the end of the year, because we are starting these books for January 1st, 2025. We want the ending balance in your Etsy holding account. So $34.71 right there. Okay, now what we're going to do with that ending balance for your Etsy holding, we are in your QuickBooks Online account. And let me show you first. Go to All Apps, Accounting, and go to Chart of Accounts. Here is all of the accounts we put in an earlier video. We want the Etsy holding account. We're going to click View Register. In an earlier video, we put in all of these deposits for January. What we don't have is we don't have the beginning balance. So we're going to put a journal entry in here. So go up here to the left and hover over Create and go here to Journal Entry right here. So this journal entry is going to be dated at the end of the year. We want December 31st, 2024. Click on, and we can enter, I like to name this journal number Opening Balance. Okay. For account, this one is going to be the Etsy Bank holding account. The debit, this is where we put the $34.71. Now we also have to put something on the credit side. And this is going to be, I'm going to type it in, opening balance for the banks, $34.71. Okay, so these two balance, and now we're going to click Save. And now I will show you, I'm going to click out of this. So right here, because I put the opening balance on 12/31, we've got our beginning balance. These 4 deposits were from when we uploaded our bank account in an earlier video. I'm going to hover up here. I'm going to show you the bank account. That was also from an earlier video. The C right here means it's been cleared, but it has not been reconciled. So for our next, I'm going to go back to Etsy Holding. For our next video, I'm going to show you how to add all of those numbers, the Etsy sales, the Etsy fees, all of that in a journal entry, and that will all come together.